Let's see how you can easily respond to Instagram comments using the power of AI. For example, let's say on your Instagram profile, if a particular customer asks any questions about your business or pricing or any other details, you can use AI to respond to those comments automatically as well. So here, I'm in a demo account. The first step is to connect your Instagram account right here via channels. So here, if you click on channels, you can go to settings, channels option over here and choose Instagram and simply connect it. So if you go to the help center, so this is a help center guide about Instagram DM automation now, and here we have all the steps involved in connecting your Instagram account. So you will need to simply click on connect, log in with your Instagram account, make sure all permissions are allowed over here, and then simply choose your Instagram account and connect it. That's it. So once it is connected, you can actually build any sort of automations on Instagram. And if you want to use AI, so you can actually use any AI models over here like OpenAI, Google Gemini, Cloud, XAI, DeepSeek. So you will need to simply connect the API keys from those platforms. So here again we have the guide on how to grab those API keys from each of these platforms. So for example, for the OpenAI, you have to simply click on this link, create a new secret API key, and simply connect it on our platform. That's it. So once it is done, you can actually build any sort of AI automations on Instagram, and if you connect other channels, you can actually build the same as well. So now let's see how to automate the comments on Instagram. So go to flow section. So here you can actually use the free template over here. Go to all free templates, and here in the comments automation, here we have a free template for the AI comment replies for Facebook and Instagram. So you can actually make use of this one. For that, it's better to create an AI agent for your own business via AI Hub and create a new AI agent. So here we have already created few AI agents for different businesses, but let me open this one for the pest control. Here we have an AI agent for this specific pest control business, and here we say respond in just 1 to 2 sentences as well. And here we have all the information about that specific company, from the address, about the pricing information, and some frequently asked questions as well. Likewise, you can actually create these business information for your own business and use that to respond to the comments on Instagram. So I'm going to use this particular AI agent for this specific pest control business and use that free template I showed you as well. So let me go back to the flows section, all free templates, comments automation, choose this one. Yeah, let me make a duplicate of this one so we can actually keep the original as it is. So click on duplicate. So here we have made the duplicate of this free template right here, and let me rename this one as this particular company name, IG comments. All right, so here let me open this one, and here you will see instructions on how to use this particular template. But in this case, here we have an opening action, and if you want to use AI agents instead of generate text, switch this to AI agents or agents. Generate text agents over here. All right, and you have to choose the AI agents you want to use. So in this case, I want to use the pest control one, and you can keep these settings as it is because the last FB comment will simply work for the Instagram as well. So you can actually keep this as it is. So you don't need to make any changes over here. Just choose the AI agent you have created right here. All right, and click continue and publish. So we have actually created this AI comment replies for the IG. So this can actually work for the Facebook as well. So let's go to the marketing tools over here and choose Instagram comments automation and create a new one, and let me say AI comments for this specific company. And here you can track the comments on all posts, so it will simply work for the old post and reels and also the future ones as well. So simply choose all post and private reply. So if you want to send them a DM when they comment, you can do that, but here our focus is just to respond to the comments on Instagram. So in that case, let me choose none over here. And public reply to comment, this is where you have to choose the flow which we just duplicated, this one, Worksheet Pro Pest Control IG comments. And here you can reply to all comments because here we are actually using AI to respond to those comments, so it will simply respond to any comments, any questions as well. And here you have more options as well, and you can even delay these responses if you want as well. So for now, let's choose immediately and click save. All right, it has been saved over here. Now let me activate this one right here, and we can test how this actually works. So here is the business information about that specific AI agent. So now we can ask any questions and it will simply respond over there through the Instagram comments. So let me share my phone screen over here and open any post or reel over here, add a comment. So let me add this: what services do you provide? So here I ask about the services they provide. So now we should receive a comment or reply from Demo Chatting Media about the services they provide. So here let's see. So here we receive the response, and it says we offer residential and commercial pest control including one-time treatments, and these are the services right there. Add-on services include these other things, and same-day emergency removals as well. So here for this simple question it simply respond as well. So now let's add one more comment right here in the same post saying your service is great, thank you so much. So here's just a feedback: your service is great, thank you so much. Let's see how this actually respond to us. It should have added the comment reply. So let's see what sort of comment replies we have received right here. So it says, thanks, we really appreciate your kind words. If you need anything else or to schedule a service, call this particular number. So this can simply work for any reels as well. So let me open this reel and add a comment asking about the service areas. So let me say, what areas do you serve? So here they serve only on these areas right there. So let's see what sort of comment replies we are receiving over here. So here we receive the response. It says we serve Greater Phoenix Metro including these are the states and 25-mile radius. Outer areas may incur a travel fee. So here it simply prompts the user to provide their zip code as well, because we used the AI agent which is already created for DMs, but you can actually customize this one especially for the comments as well. But here even if they provide a zip code, it should actually respond as well. So here let me say my zip code is, let me provide a different zip code and see how this actually works. So this can actually respond to the comment replies even as well. So here we receive the response. So it says, sorry, the zip code 101 is outside our area, so we can't provide on-site there. Would you like me to connect with your human agent who can suggest a local provider so help further? So it simply goes forward right there. So this simply works on the Instagram comments, but if you want to activate the same thing for the Instagram DMs, you can do that in a few minutes over here. So here you have to make sure this is set up as the default agent. So it's already set up as the default agent, and you have to come back to the settings over here, integrations, opening a ChatGPT, and activate this one. So it will simply use default agent to respond to user messages right there. So save it. Alright, so now if someone actually send you a message on Instagram or even any connected channels right here, the AI agent will simply work and handle those messages right here. So here I'm in this particular Instagram profile. So instead of adding a comment, I'm going to send a direct message and see how this actually works. Your address. So here I'm just sending a direct message asking about the address. So here we already have this address in file 2847. This is the address. So let's see what sort of response we are receiving right here. So here we receive the response. It says our address is this one, Buckshield Pro Pest Control LLC. Simple as that. So likewise, if you ask any questions, it will simply respond. So here their opening hours are from Monday to Saturday 7 to 7, and Sundays they are closed. So let me send a message. Can I visit there on Sundays? So they are closed. Let's see how this actually respond to us over there. So it's actually generating a response over here, and here we receive the response. It says we are closed on Sundays, don't schedule routine visits. Then our hours are from this one for urgent emergencies, and call this specific number and we may be able to arrange the same day assistant. So that was a quick video on how you can easily handle the comments on Instagram using the power of AI. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.